Good morning, grade 5. Welcome to the English class. In the previous class, we learned the chapter 7, Jewels of the Ocean. So today, we'll see a few exercises from the chapter. So I hope you all have read the chapter once again. Let's move on to the exercise now. So in page number 43, let's read the first question. It is match the columns. And you can see two columns here. On the left, you can see the name of the islands, and on the right, you can see a few related information. You have to match each island with its related information. We can do this as an activity now. Please pause this video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see the correct matches. The first one, French Polynesia. So related information which matches the island is French Polynesia has a place named Bora Bora. Number 2, Maldives. Maldives is the lowest lying country. Now, Kiribati. Kiribati is good for fishing. Now, fourth one, Cook Islands. Cook Islands is located between Hawaii and New Zealand. Now, New Caledonia. New Caledonia has a rich ecosystem. The last one, Solomon Islands. It is made up of 992 islands. So I hope you got all the matches correct. Now let's move on to the next part. The next is answer these questions. So you may note down these questions and answers in your notebook. Let's see the first question. Why are the islands called the jewels of the ocean? So what is the answer? The islands are called the jewels due to their scenic beauty, their flora and fauna, and wonderful ecosystems. Rising up in the middle of the sea, they attract a lot of holiday makers. So, let's see the second one. What are the different activities that tourists enjoy on the islands around the world? So, the answer is, there are many different activities that tourists enjoy on the islands around the world. They can go trekking on the mountains to see the volcanoes, do fishing or bird watching, swimming and snorkeling in the clear blue waters around the islands. Surfing is a popular activity. They can enjoy the beauty of the coral reefs and lagoons, do parasailing, jet skiing and boating. So I hope it is clear to you. Now the third one, how does global warming affect the islands? Let's see the answer. Global warming has affected the islands badly. Many of the islands face the grave danger of rising sea levels caused by global warming, which threaten to submerge them in the ocean forever. So I hope you are clear with the answer. Now let's move on to the next part. That is, mention the special features of, and a few islands are listed here. So you have already read about the islands and the special features in the chapter. So let's see how we can answer these questions. So the first one is New Caledonia. And what is the special feature of that? See, New Caledonia has the world's largest coral lagoon. Its barrier coral reef is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You may add more points yourself. Now, the second one is Seychelles. Let's see. Most of the islands are made up of the oldest and hardest granite in the world in Seychelles Islands. Now, the third one, Maldives. Maldives is the lowest lying country on the planet. Now, Fiji. It has beautiful white sandy beaches and is known as the soft coral capital of the world. Now, the last one, Diu. Diu, it is popular for its rich historical heritage and Portuguese architecture. So you may add more points yourself when you write these in your notebook. Now let's see the next section. It is the vocabulary section. Let's read out the question. Match the columns to form compound nouns. So we have already learned what are compound nouns. Compound nouns are nouns which are made up of two or more words. Like when you say full moon or when you say toothpaste. These nouns are made up of two words, and these are examples of compound nouns. So here you can see a table. There are two columns, column A and column B. You have to match words from column A with words from column B to make compound words. So you can do this as an activity now. Please pause this video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see the correct matches. So the first one, treasure. So which would be a good match for treasure? Treasure hunt. Now B, art gallery. Fruit cake. Cherry orchard. Rose bush. Orange juice. Cricket match. And the last one, science teacher. So I hope you got all the matches correct. Now the next section is to rewrite the sentences by using adjectives for the highlighted phrases. So this is about forming adjectives from nouns. We have already learned this in our reader. For example, she is from America. The words from America is highlighted here. So how can we change that into an adjective from the proper noun America? So she is from America can be rewritten as she is an American or she is American. So similarly, you have to rewrite the given sentences here by changing the highlighted words into adjectives. You can do this as an activity. Please pause this video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that activity. Now let's see the correct sentences. So the first one we have already discussed in class. She is from America can be rewritten as she is American. The second one, they love the cuisine from Italy. The cuisine from Italy can be rewritten as Italian cuisine. So this sentence can be rewritten as they love Italian cuisine. Now the third one, scientists are researching the soil on Mars to find signs of life. Soil on Mars can be rewritten as Martian soil. So the sentence is, scientists are researching Martian soil to find signs of life. Now the fourth one, do you know that man from Punjab? So man from Punjab can be rewritten as Punjabi man. So the sentence can be rewritten as, do you know that Punjabi man? Now fifth one, it is not easy to understand the language used by Shakespeare. So language used by Shakespeare can be rewritten as Shakespearean language. So this sentence can be rewritten as, it is not easy to understand Shakespearean language. Now the last one, are you ready for an expedition to Alaska? Expedition to Alaska can be rewritten as Alaskan expedition. So this sentence can be rewritten as, are you ready for an Alaskan expedition? So children, I hope these questions and answers are clear to you. We'll see the rest of the exercise in the next class. Till then, bye.